Yes, my nails are gold. I'm shooting a video. What do you think?
It is in the jungle. Yo.
Hey there folks, Akil here. I figured since there's so many things going on with Ask and all of the communities I'm connected with, rather than doing it a post at a time, I'm gonna start to give you a news report so that you can be connected with all the awesome things that I'm connected with and get involved in dance, transformation, exploration of yourself, and some cool art events. This is the quick rundown of what I'm gonna cover in this video. So without further ado, let's dive right into the fascinating world of Mask. This coming Sunday, September 10th from 5 to 9 p.m., we are having the Introduction to Mask. It's going to be a really exciting workshop. This is catered to all of the people who've been curious about the mask and have wanted to try it and also want to get ready for all of the awesome workshops and events that we have planned for this season. Veterans, show up and show out. Show them how we play and transform. If you feel like you're stiff, want to explore your own personal power of transformation, the mask is for you, not just for artists, it's for tech geeks, lawyers, jocks, practitioners of magic, and for people who don't believe it. Come and check out the mask. It will be from 5 to 9 p.m. at the Brooklyn Lair at 16 Arian Place. Entry is only $40. Special discounts available if you're facing financial constraints, or if you decide to bring along friends. But wait, there's no ticket link for this one. This one is gonna be about a personal connection. So DM me, contact me, let me know that you wanna be a part of it. And we'll see you on Sunday. September 27th, that's Wednesday. Get ready for this. We're gonna do ecstatic dance and mask together. So last time we did this, I brought 100 masks. So that's what we're gonna do again. I am bringing 100 masks. 100. Archetypes, characters, second chakra mask, mask for will force, and of course the angels. Doors are at 6:30, but you have to arrive by 7 p.m. in order for you to get the introduction to the mask work. And we'll be dancing with Mike Tumalo and a special guest from 8 to about 10 o'clock with the mask. So you have plenty of time to explore. And for those of you who aren't going to be doing the mask, don't worry, it's only going to amplify the experience. The ticket link is in my link tree. Again, that is September 27th. Guess what? Did you know that you can commission a personalized mask with me?
It is in the jungle.